Yo, welcome back to the vlog. It has been such a long time since I posted on YouTube. I'm sorry to those of you that have been watching. Honestly, my life has just been super busy with work and everything, and I'm trying to set myself up for next year because I want to get all the builds done, such as the MR2, the Prelude, Wago right here behind me. But I figured what better way not to come back to the vlog by going for a little bit of a cruise. So I'm gonna set up the GoPro. We got the Hero 7, so hopefully that should give us some decent video quality. And then later there might be a little bit of a local car meet. I'm here in West Virginia, so like the Honda scene here is not up to par as like Arizona and Colorado. But I ran into some American muscle car guys. They were really cool, super down to earth. And they invited me to this car meet, so we might go to that a little bit later. But no further ado, let's make it happen. I hope you guys like some of that GoPro footage I just got of cruising around. I tried to get a few different angles just to kind of spice it up a little bit and change things up. But now I'm gonna go and check out that local meet that I was telling you guys about at the beginning of the video. We're just kind of gonna go and see, you know, what are some of the local car guys working with, and see how they get down and if they participate in any Mexico activities. So let's head over.
Ethanol, and then you take heat.
That heat.
That's straight like 90.
Yeah.
What do we got going here?
Typical Volkswagen linkage. Typical Volkswagen.
Alright guys, we're in the homie Levi's SRT4 right now. We are going to do some highway pulls in Mexico. So yeah, let's see what this thing has to offer. Hell yeah. Dude, this thing gets it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this thing gets up. You were saying you think it makes around what, like 280?
Yeah, 280 to 300.
Right, that's a solid number for sure.
Yeah.
And the car is not that heavy either. So.
No, 2,500 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Hell yeah, dude. So we just did a first gear pull?
Yep.
Yeah.
20.
Dude, first gear snatches.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That thing snatches.
You're dumping 80.
Ocean. Oh no.
Don't look at it. Nobody look at it. It gives away if you don't look at it.
Right, yeah. I just felt, I want to know what it was.
I'll pay you. Oh, thanks.
It's a turbo Cobalt SS. Normally these are supercharged, I think, but he took the supercharger off and turbocharged it. So apparently, word has it out that this car is pretty damn fast. All right, so we're back in Levi's car right now. We are about to run it with this gentleman right in front of us. In the Cobalt SS that I just showed you guys, it has a turbo setup. We are going to do a 40 roll. We are in Mexico, so do not do this if you live in the United States. And yeah, let's see how this works out.